Welcome to today's video. Many people enjoy using Google Maps, but sometimes the voice does not match their preferred language. In this tutorial, I will guide you through how to easily change the voice language in the Google Maps app on your phone. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top right. Then, from the menu, click on Settings. Then, scroll down and look for the option labeled Navigation. Tap on it to open the navigation settings. Once you are inside, tap on Voice Selection. You will see a list of different voices and languages available. Finally, choose the language you prefer. Google Maps will save your choice automatically, and you can start navigating with your selected voice right away. Changing the voice language in Google Maps is quick and simple, and it ensures your navigation experience is more comfortable and personalized. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it. Thanks for watching.